In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to install IPTV on the VLC media player step by step. This is one of the easiest and most reliable ways to watch IPTV on your computer, and it works on Windows, Mac, and Linux. If you already have an IPTV subscription with an M3U link, VLC is a great free option that doesn't require any extra apps or complicated setup. We'll go through the full process together, so even if you're a beginner, you can follow along without any issues. And before we jump in, if you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and easy tech tutorials like this. Alright, let's get started. First, go ahead and open VLC Media Player on your computer. If you don't already have VLC installed, you can download it for free from videoland.org and install it like any normal program. Once VLC is open, make sure you're on the main screen where you can see the menu options at the top. Next, look to the top left corner of the VLC window and click on the Media menu. This menu is where VLC lets you open different types of files and streams, including network streams like IPTV. When you click on Media, a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this drop-down, select Open Network Stream. This option allows VLC to play content directly from an online source instead of a file saved on your computer. As soon as you click Open Network Stream, a new window will pop up. In the Network tab, you'll see a field labeled Network URL. This is where you need to enter the M3U URL provided by your IPTV service. Carefully copy the full M3U link from your IPTV provider and paste it into this field. Make sure there are no extra spaces before or after the link, as that can cause playback issues. Once the M3U URL is entered, go to the bottom of the window and click the play button. VLC will now connect to the IPTV server and start loading the channels. This may take a few seconds depending on your internet speed and the IPTV service you're using. After the stream loads, your IPTV content will start playing automatically. You can use the playlist view in VLC to browse through available channels, and you can switch channels just like you would with any other media file. If your IPTV service includes categories, they may appear in the playlist as well. If the video doesn't start playing right away, double-check that your M3U link is correct and that your internet connection is stable. Sometimes restarting VLC and trying again can also fix minor loading issues. And that's it, you've successfully installed and set up IPTV on VLC Media Player. As you can see, the process is quick, free, and doesn't require any advanced technical skills. VLC is a powerful media player, and using it for IPTV is a great option if you want something lightweight and reliable. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more IPTV and software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.